Gonna make a prediction, Jaden? Big coral trout. Well, I'm not going to say it's not going to happen, that's for sure. Can't see any colour yet. We're fishing in about 60 metres of water currently. Long way down, isn't it? It's swimming out a bit wide. What is it? Oh, looks like a nanny guy. Nice nanny guy. Just have a look and make sure he's hooked well, mate. He's not hooked that well, so... Get him. Grab him into the gills if you can. Can't let him hang there too much longer. His legs will be gone. He's not hooked very